Learn English, introducing oneself and others. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will be focusing on greetings and introductions, specifically the topic of introducing oneself and others. Knowing how to introduce yourself and others is an essential skill when meeting new people or engaging in social interactions. So let's dive in and learn the proper way to introduce ourselves and others in English. When introducing yourself, there are a few key elements to include. First, start with a friendly greeting such as, "Hi," or "Hello." Remember to maintain eye contact and use a confident tone of voice. Then, proceed to state your name. For example, you could say, "Hi, my name is John." It's also common to follow your name with additional information such as your occupation or where you're from. For instance, you could say, "Hi, I'm John. I'm a software engineer from New York." Introducing others is equally important. When introducing someone else, it's polite to mention their name first. For example, you could say, "This is Mary." Make sure to use appropriate linking words such as "this" or "here" to refer to the person you are introducing. After stating their name, you can provide some additional information about them, such as their occupation or relationship to you. For instance, you could say, "This is Mary, my colleague from work." Remember to use a friendly and welcoming tone when introducing others. When someone introduces themselves to you, it's important to respond politely. A common way to respond is by repeating their name and offering your own name in return. For example, if someone says, "Hi, I'm Sarah," you could respond with, "Nice to meet you, Sarah." "I'm Alex." Using the phrase, "nice to meet you," shows politeness and acknowledges the introduction. It's also common to ask follow-up questions to show interest in the person. You could ask about their hobbies, their work, or where they're from. Active listening and engaging in conversation will help build rapport. Remember that greetings and introductions may vary across cultures. Some cultures may have different customs and expectations when it comes to introductions. Being aware of cultural norms can help you navigate social situations with sensitivity and respect. For instance, in some cultures, it's customary to shake hands firmly when introducing yourself, while in others, a lighter handshake or no physical contact at all may be preferred. Being observant and adapting to the cultural context shows cultural understanding and open-mindedness. Congratulations! You've learned the essentials of introducing yourself and others in English. By mastering these skills, you'll feel more confident and comfortable in social situations. Remember to greet people with a friendly tone, state your name clearly, and use appropriate linking words when introducing others. Active listening and showing genuine interest in others will help foster meaningful connections. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.